The crash and rollover resistance safety test results for the Tesla Model Y have been announced by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The tests were carried out on the Model Y dual motor and the standard range Model Y. After rigorous inspection, the Tesla Model Y obtained an overall 5-star safety rating from the nhtsa. In addition to the 5-seat version Model Y, the 7-seat Model Y was also evaluated by the nhtsa, and both of these variants performed exceptionally in frontal crash, side crash, and rollover safety tests. The nhtsa website results show that the Tesla Model Y standard rear-wheel drive was not currently tested for the rollover test, but it would be dumb of you to assume that the results would be any different from the dual-motor version Model Y. After the nhtsa's announcement of the Model Y's 5-star safety results, Tesla wrote a comprehensive post for what makes the Model Y so safe. So be sure to check that out on Tesla's website if you're interested. But in summary, electric vehicles, and particularly Teslas, have a high rollover resistance, mainly due to the optimal center of gravity. Compared to a front or rear internal combustion engine vehicle, the large battery pack covering the entire vehicle floor holds the electric vehicle more tied to the road. The rigid battery pack also works against a penetrating or hitting object from the side as a resistance block. The side pole crash test was also highly rated by the Tesla Model Y. In contrast to a similar sized SUV side-by-side and side pole crash test, the Tesla Model Y shows better safety in a similar situation. The body frame of the Model Y still remains intact. In a side pole crash test, the outcome would remain more or less the same against any non-electric vehicle. The video taken from the bottom of the vehicle is particularly fascinating in the frontal crash test, where the empty front trunk acts as a wide crumple zone to help absorb the impact. In comparison to an engine in a typical car, the engine parts travel into the passenger cabin in the event of a front collision, and the front drive unit is mounted at the height of the suspension. In addition to having a 5-star protection for its passengers, Tesla's electric vehicles also have the lowest risk of accident of all vehicles ever checked by the nhtsa. So what do you think of the safety rating for the Tesla Model Y? Should it be a perfect 5-star rating? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button. And if you want me to share with you new information on all things Tesla, then consider subscribing too. The rest of this video will play out the recorded crashes taken during the nhtsa testing. Be sure to watch closely for some interesting captures. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.